Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Boat Xtend Smartwatch that we had got around the price bracket of 2200. In the normal days it is also available at the 2500 price band as well. It is an amazing watch to start off your journey of a smartwatch. This includes some premium features such as SpO2 sensor, dedicated heart rate sensor and many more sensors. These are the key takeaways, including the 14 sports mode as well, which includes swimming as well. We'll be testing out everything, we'll be putting through its paces and we'll be giving you the complete review of this. So if you like our review and like this video, please do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. So hey, what's up guys, this is Abhishek Garagad, so let's get started. In total 6 chapters for the whole review process. Let's just get into the first one, that is the unboxing. The unboxing experience is really very simple. We have a sliding box to open which directly gives us the Boat Xtend Smartwatch. Taking it out, we get the magnetic charging cable which is like a half a meter long. Keeping this aside, we get the basic paperwork and a warranty card. Keeping all the box content aside, let us take a look at the watch itself. Moving on to the further chapter, we are taking a look at the build quality. The whole body is made up of polycarbonate material and the straps are made out of silicone. Seems to be durable enough. Adding to the point, this is easily removable and can be replaced with the third-party straps as well. Moving on, let us talk about the design of this. Nothing much to talk about here, just a simple square design. And you have an infinite body edge which is housing a 1.9 inch display. This is an LCD panel. It is bright enough, I can say. Now on the right hand side you have one single button as well. This button I was expecting a little more out of this, but it has come down to a little less. Now let me tell you the two disadvantages of this button right over here. Initially I thought it can be used as a scroller as well, but it's not like that. Fine for me. It's not sensitive, cannot be pressed with one finger. You have to use two fingers to press it. That's a kind of disappointing. Moving on to the back, there is a bunch of sensors which include the SpO2 sensor, the heart rate sensor and some of the additional ones as well. Moving further, let us just talk about the comfortable in wearing it. As it is a smartwatch, it has health monitoring as well, which means you gotta wear it all the time to get the best result possible. None of them really talk about this topic more. That is why you have to subscribe to my channel to get some outstanding content like this. So usually everyone is like, the weight is about so and so. What the hell are you going to do about the weight? I'll just give you a small comparison over here. If you're coming from a watch like this, you will feel it is a little bit lightweight. And if you're coming from a watch like this, you will feel it as a little bit heavy. As simple as that, right? Just 3 categories more and your decision will be final about buying this or not. The next chapter that we'll be speaking about is the watch UI. Let's just keep it simple right over here. When you slide it from top to bottom, you get the notification panel. From bottom to top, you get the quick access menu. For example, you get DND, raise to wake, find my phone and brightness right over here. Swiping from right to left, we get steps count, HR, stress monitor and 14 sports modes as well you can choose from. On the right hand side, you have Alexa, whom you can ask you to remind things and turn on or off your bulb. Long press on the home screen to get the smartwatch faces. Now let us discuss the UI of the app provided by the Boat, that is known as Boat Wave. Here the app has been improved than the earlier. We are welcomed with our basic activities like the steps, activity, training, heart rate and so on. Moving further to the next tab, we have the training tab. In this you have numerous of sports modes which you can choose from, and you can just click on the start button to begin all your training purposes. Okay, next moving on further, we have the devices. Very simple. On the top you have the Xtend Smartwatch, as you can see, that is connected over here. When you click it over here, you get the battery percentage and it shows it as connected. Next you get the steps, calories and so on. You have the watch faces to choose from. Here is a watch face market that you can choose from. Now next is health monitoring. When you click on health monitoring, there are numerous of options like HR monitoring is enabled, stress monitoring, drinking water reminder, and so on. When you move back again, you can set the alarm clock right from your smartwatch itself. Now that is really good thing. Now you have the message notifications. You can allow the message notification to everyone. You can allow the message notification by turning it on, and you can choose from all the social media platforms that you are wishing to, and the basic SMS tool as well. Now moving on further, you have the Amazon Alexa. You got to log in it with an Amazon account. If you don't have one, please do go ahead and open an Amazon account. Next, here we have the call alert that I have enabled it. Now you get the 3-second delay as well. I have kept it instantaneous. It's fine for me. Now auto sports recognition is also available, like running and walking can be auto enabled. That's it. Device settings, you have a bunch of different settings like find my phone, music control, wake gesture, weather forecast, etc, etc. Now you have shortcuts as well for various purposes. Now this is all about the UI of this. Let me just take you to the watch face market. So once you're into the watch face market, you can see here you get a bunch of different watch faces available for free, and the installation is very easy. You have to just click on the face you like and just add and install. If you just do this, it will take a couple of minutes to load onto your smartwatch and you can just use it. Scrolling down, you again get the customizable watch faces as well. Now this here you can add your own image or the image you like, and you can just set it for a custom watch face as well. So that is an amazing thing to share with you guys. Let me just jump on to the conclusion of this. Here it looks and feels premium, but actually it is not. Look wise, great, amazing watch to go for. Now there are a bunch of downsides which I have noticed with this watch using for a couple of days now. The display is not that fluid in my opinion. It staggers a little bit in when you are moving things around. It is not that fluid like any other watch. Now looking at the price range, here you have a great display and amazing brightness to go for. It is really good in my opinion. The vibrator here is the second thing I did not like. The vibrator is way too loud, like it can be heard from a long distance as well. Vibrator should be something like you should just feel it, and when you kept it on the table, you have to just hear it, right? This is a little bit odd in my opinion. That's it. Now the big question is, buy this or not buy this? Definitely go for this. The price range is just 2200 rupees. In the normal days you can just buy it at 2500 rupees. Amazing price bracket and amazing smartwatch to begin your journey of a real smartwatch. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe, and do subscribe to my channel, and we will catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.